Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is, as promised I have earlier, is about spirituality. Spirituality is always mistaken by that the monks are giving lectures and they are just talking about things and making bullies and making fools to people, and these people are like they are teaching wrong things, superstitions, black magics, which are not at all matching, totally opposite of the scientific logics. So spirituality is not that thing. Spirituality is something that you connect your mind, body. It's an internal process that you connect to the universe. It's a kind of connecting your own heart, mind to the universe. It's totally a process that you can enjoy within oneself. It's something that one has to understand, that what is nature, by observing it by observing one's surroundings, how things are working, how nature is working, how nature is cooperating with us, or how nature is friendly to us. And we need to understand that how this universe is connected to us. So this kind of understanding comes within when you start thinking from your heart, thinking about your emotions, like when you talk about controlling emotions, thinking something, dreaming, finding logics, why things are happening in the universe or why things are happening in the nature. Many rare things happen in the nature to which we don't find answers. So when we get deeper into it, when we get deeper into thinking about why this is happening, why something is happening, what's the reason behind that we try to seek the truth of life, why life originates, and why we are living, purpose of our life, purpose of honesty. So everything, whatever we talk about in life, everything comprises spirituality. Spirituality is that which makes us feel happy and is connected to sadness. All of these are controlled by spirituality. So spirituality is the simplest form of thinking within, understanding your deeper self, understanding your own self within, and try to peep through your inner side, like peep through your mind, heart, how your mind is working, how emotions are working, thoughts, how these things are developing, why you are reacting to things, why you are getting affected to things. So understanding the whole process is spirituality. Spirituality should not be mistaken that it's something superstition or black magic. It is absolutely not. If someone is teaching that those things, that is a complete negative energy. Spirituality is the positive energy within oneself and everyone. It's present in everyone. So we need to understand, we need to meditate. While you meditate, you get the true meaning of spirituality. As you do it and practice it continuously for years, you would understand what basically spirituality means. You start to understand your inner self, how you feel, or who are you. All of this comprises spirituality. So hope guys it was helpful to you, and we'll come up with a new video. Thank you for joining with me.